Hey folks, today we are going to transplant a Spathiphyllum, commonly known as peace lily, from a 4-inch pot to that's probably about a 6-inch pot. It's just a more decorative pot. So peace lily this far north is a tropical plant. It will not grow outside, only in the summertime. They're native to Southeast Asia and the tropical Americas. It's also one of the best plants for cleaning indoor air, just like Sansevieria is. They do like dappled light, so don't put them in the full sun. They tend to burn, and they get beautiful white flowers on them. Very easy to grow, and a very low maintenance, easy plant, especially for beginners. So we're going to take it out. We've got the crappy little sleeve on it there. Apparently we got a wind warning coming up here, so I'm going to take some of this dirt out of this. I'm using a Sunshine Mix 4, and I did moisten it down a little bit. I'll give you a close-up look at this. So I bought this for Wendy the other day, and you can see the flowers are just starting out. It's just loaded with flowers. So I'm going to pull it out of this pot, and it is totally root bound. You can see, loosen up those roots a little bit. I don't want to bugger them up too much because we've got a lot of flowers on here. And I'm just going to sit it in there like that. That looks a little bit better. Try to center it. There we go. And voila. Peace lily is stepped up a pot size. And then I'm going to put it right back into the house, because, like I say, it would not be happy outside in our climate. All right now, man, it's been freaking cool. Apparently it's been the coolest spring since 1914. That's what somebody told me. Now, I didn't look into the data, but somebody told me that yesterday. Said that on the news. The coldest spring since 1914. You know what? I believe it. And I remember one other spring that was really cool like this quite a few years ago when a volcano in Iceland blew its top. All right. So there it is. Peace lily done in a transplanted into a 6-inch pot. I think it looks pretty nice. It's a pretty cool plant. And you can see that flower is ready to open, and there's lots of other flowers in there. And they're relatively inexpensive to buy. If you just buy the small ones, you can buy them at Home Depot. I got this one at the local grocery store in town. All right, thanks for watching, folks. And check out more videos on tropical plants here and hardy palms. Cheers. There's the pot. It's going to be a beautiful day.